everyone. We thought we'd do a video really quick. A quick packing video for a small tote bag.
Hi.
This is Noah and he's going to be helping us today. And Noah, why don't you show everybody the bag? Show them. Tote bag.
Tote bag.
Tote bag. Tote bag. Now Noah, stand up. Let's see, put this on. Show them how big it is. So, it's a pretty good sized tote bag, but it's not awfully humongous. All right, Noah, let's get this baby packed up. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and have a seat by me.
Okay.
There we go. So, today we're doing a quick packing video on everything that we're going to put in our tote bag. So if you're a tote person, this is wonderful. Okay, first we're going to start off with our Jujube Be Quick. These are really awesome because it has the handle and it also has the little clutch option. But I really like using it for this reason. You tie it on the zipper, it's so easy to unzip. And in here we have our play pack. So remember, in our play pack, what do we have in our play pack?
We have colors, some books that you can color in, and we got some
Shapes?
shapes.
Yeah. Okay, so this is in this Be Quick. Then we also have a what?
Puzzle.
Yes. And one more puzzle, just in case y'all put those together very quickly, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And this also has a zipper pocket right here, so you could put,
Something else.
yeah, like forks or spoons if you have toddlers and they're not old enough to use the forks and spoons at a restaurant. So we'll just stick this right in here like this. Okay. Oh, it's right here, buddy. It's right here. So you can tell we have it in here. Next, we're going to put in our change of clothes. So if you remember, in this large Jujube set piece, we have 2T underwear because we're potty training. We have 3T shorts, 3T undies, another 2T undie just in case, and 2T shorts. So that's in case we have an accident, because we are potty training right now, and if we're out and about, then accidents could happen. Yes, sweetie?
Can I grab my medicine bag?
Oh, you want to? Yeah, go grab your medicine bag.
Okay,
We'll
wait.
show them how well it fits in here.
Where is it?
It's right up there.
Okay.
He wants to show you how his medicine bag fits in here. So, large set piece with change of clothes. So it fits very nicely in here as well. So these two are standing up vertically, side by side. Still plenty of room. Let me go ahead and open this up for you guys. Okay. Yeah, go ahead.
Here's a Tokidoki bag, and in it I have my medicine, and you can put about 4 medicines in there. If you have small ones, you can have about 5 in there, maybe.
Good job. So let's show everybody what we have in there. So this is all his inhalers and nasal spray. So we never leave the house without an inhaler. So we're gonna put this inside. So this is a Jujube, like Noah said, Tokidoki, medium set piece. And we have the handle so it's easy to grab. Good job, Noah, that was very smart. Next, we have a Jujube medium set piece. And we have snacks. So I think I went over the snacks with you. My 14-year-old likes the granola bars. Then these guys like the gummies.
Gummies are good.
And then we have the bride candy.
Delicious. Get it now.
So we're gonna set this in there as well. Good job. And what is this one?
Another Tokidoki.
Oh, scoot this way so they can see you. Another Tokidoki medium set piece.
And in it, we have diapers for our little brother. And if we run out, we just go into another box and put it in.
Yeah, good job. That's awesome. So we also have this small white pouch, 2 size 4 diapers, and a light change pad. So this all fits very nicely in a medium Tokidoki Jujube set piece. And we're gonna go ahead and slide this in there in case we use all our underwear potty training. So this is going in. And let me, oh, you go ahead, baby. You go ahead.
Here we have another Tokidoki one.
Small set piece.
Small set piece. And here we have some
Pickers.
Some
Vitamins
for my mom. Some wipes. Tea bag. Here we have
Another tea bag.
And last but certainly not least, her eyelashes.
Yeah, contacts. Good job. So all of that is gonna fit very nicely. Good job, Noah. Way to go.
How many pieces of gum have you been eating?
I put gum in there too.
Why? Ew. It's evil.
Silly guy.
You know you can get other people sick.
Okay, so small set piece, and it's going right in here as well. So we'll show you how it's all packed up. Okay, so we have our quick, our large set piece, our medium set piece, and another medium set piece, and then our small set piece right here. I'll probably put a strap on this so it'll be easy to grab. And Noah wants to go ahead and add one more thing. All right, Noah, you go ahead.
Here's our Lego bag.
Yes.
And we have some Legos in it.
Scoot this way so we can see you.
Here's our Lego bag. We can set some Legos in it and take them out whenever we want and start building.
And this is a custom piece that Miss Diana Garcia did for us. And it also works really well as a med kit. So it does have this loop, and we do have another one that we put another inhaler in, and all you do is clip it to your bag. So it's always there. So we'll add that in there, and voila, we have a beautiful packed bag. Noah, you want to stand up and tell us how heavy it is for you? Okay. Is it a lot heavy or a little heavy?
It's a little heavy.
A little heavy?
About
How long do you think you can hold it?
forever.
Forever?
It feels like a squishy pillow.
So it feels like a squishy pillow. Now, just to show you guys everything that we have in here, Legos, diapering needs, snacks, inhalers, and then we have our play pack bag for a restaurant. And not yet. And then we have our large set piece with the extra change of clothes. And honestly, we could fit this into a smaller bag. I just chose the large set piece. And I could do that on the next packing video. Then a small set piece with my mommy needs. And you can also throw a makeup bag in there as well. So you're left with this awesome, cute little tote that is beautiful. Now, I did say that we would do a giveaway, so we do have 25 subscribers. Yeah. So we'll be giving this bag away. All you have to do is like this video, leave a comment on what show you plan on watching this fall or book that you would like to read this fall. And then I will tally everything up and we will give this bag away. So we will do this Wednesday, late afternoon. So leave a comment, like the video, and we will be giving this bag away. We'll be back with you on Wednesday and we'll draw a name. Hope you all have a great day.
Stick around for watching the food bags.
Cooler.